Hey everybody, this is Cameron. Welcome back to Groove Master Academy. Today we're diving into a really exciting topic that I hope is going to be a game changer for you, for me, and for Groove Master Academy. It's something I've been thinking about for a long time, and hopefully we'll get some of my colleagues involved in this. One of the most common goals that beginners have when they come for lessons is, I want to play a song. I want to play a song, and I completely get that. You know, playing a full song is one of the most rewarding things you can do, and that's kind of why you pick up the instrument, right? But for guitar players, especially for beginners, that can be a little tricky, because guitar is usually taught as an accompaniment instrument where we strum chords, and that doesn't really sound like a song unless you sing or play with another instrument. Or we want to be lead players and shredders, right? And unless we have other people to play along with, that's not a whole song either. And while both of these are important skills to learn, again, they don't sound like a full song. So what to do? Well, playing chord melodies is one approach we can take to getting to playing what's a full song quickly. Simply put, it's a way of playing both chords and melodic tones at the same time. What's a chord melody? This allows you to play a more complete arrangement, because you see, the notes of the melody or the singing part are very often parts of the chord. For example, we're going to take a look today at a version of Eric Clapton's classic and very sad Tears in Heaven, using a simple chord melody approach. Okay, so we'll get right